Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell, Jasmy? I'm not going to tell you to do. I'm just going to show you what the charts are telling me. We're going to look at previous data and look exactly how the probabilities are stacked up as far as the bulls are concerned on Jasmy, because we're doing something that we've done here. We're doing something we've done here. And we're waiting to do exactly the same thing again. We're putting in higher highs. We're putting in higher lows. The indicators are reset. We've put in a higher low when the indicators reset. We know what that means. It happened here, guys. Move to the upside. What about the time before? Move to the upside. So this is what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the breakout and a move to the upside. I've got targets for you, and I'm expecting one more pullback. And once we get the pullback and once we get a break for that, we crack the 200 daily moving average, and then things start really moving for Jasmy Coin. Okay, so how do we know that things are reversing for Jasmy Coin? How do we know that the bulls are regaining momentum? And why am I so interested in this, guys? This staircase here. This staircase showed one thing. We'd taken out the previous lower high. That was bullish. We'd put in a higher high. That was bullish. We'd come back down. We'd put in a higher low. That held this area, which was previous resistance, as support. And then we'd put in a new high. So we're taking out previous lower highs. And the bulls are regaining momentum. They're creating this staircase where they're pushing and pushing and pushing, and they're really trying to regain the momentum to take out this guy here. That is the bear, and that is the 200 daily moving average. And this is what I mean by I'm expecting one more move to the upside, a pullback, and then test this 200. Do we have enough momentum to test this 200? So firstly, indicators. We've got this indicator down here. This is oversold. Now remember, the aim of the game is when you're moving up on the staircase, you want this higher low, this higher low, this higher low to be oversold. When it pulls back and it's oversold, it's like a coil. It's pulling back, it's pulling back, it's pulling back. And it coils up and it gives the bulls enough momentum to understand that we've put in a higher low as we've come oversold to push price higher. So what's happening at this area here, at these highs here? The bulls, which are putting in buy orders, are putting in sell orders at these resistance levels. They're creating a sell war because they're taking their positions to add their positions at the higher low, guys. And that creates more buy orders. So as long as the indicator's oversold, as long as it comes in as a higher low, then the bulls have got enough momentum to put back their buy orders. They took their sell orders, the bears have took their sell orders to put their buy orders and hold the momentum for the higher low. So that's why I'm expecting another move to the upside, just like this. Another move to the upside, test the 200, get enough momentum to get up to the 200, test this previous lower high or higher high, sorry, and then a push back up through the 200. Once this thing acts as support, that knocks the bear down, and then the bull will replace the bear. Things will look rosier when you're above the 200. But that's how it works, guys, from a psychological perspective. They're coiling up like a spring. They're waiting to push higher. The 200 moving average at the moment sat at 0.02318. Then we've got the next resistance level, guys. This is the next resistance, 0.02761. Once we've overcome the 200 moving average, remember, resistance gets weaker, resistance gets weaker. In fact, we can measure that. We'll bring up the fixed range volume profile from this high here. We're going to measure it all the way down. We're going to see, you can see the volumes here, the volumes here. This is where the resistance point is now, guys. Look where price is now. So this is the area, this line, of the most volume out of the whole of this move here, from this high all the way down here. You can see, look where price is reacting. So 0.01786. Once you get above that, guys, that's going to be bullish. That's going to be bullish. You need a breakout. Take out this level here. This volume will act as support, and then we can start making moves to the upside. So it is a patience game at the moment, guys, but the stars are aligning. The bulls have got momentum. They're putting in higher highs. They're putting in higher lows. The indicators come back to oversold. We're waiting for a breakout. We know where the resistance level is. We know where we need to overcome. We need to take out the bear. Once we take out the bear, stick him underneath the 200 moving average, the bulls will regain control, and then we can start putting in higher highs, higher lows with bigger swings than this staircase here. So let me know in the comments if you did enjoy this video, guys. Don't forget, join the Discord group, completely free. That's where you can put in your chart requests. That's where we talk to each other. We get to know each other. There's a big family here. So let me know what you want me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next one.